Welcome back to Living in the Black Hills. My name is Matthias Christians. I'm an agent on the Christians Team Real Estate. And today, guys, we are up here in Leeds, South Dakota. And to tell you the truth, this is some of the best numbers, and I've seen an investment property in this area in a very long time. You guys are going to be super psyched about this one, so let's check it out. Alrighty, as I mentioned before, guys, this is a 4-unit multifamily property. So we're starting here in Unit 4. So this one used to actually be a single-family home back in the day. They used to run it as a convenience store and restaurant above it. Looks a little bit different today. As you guys can tell, there's been a lot of updates throughout all these units. You guys will see the rest of them as well that have been done to it. So like I said, super turnkey and ready to go. Over here in the kitchen, we also have an electric coil range and oven here already. And this one is going to be a 2-bed, 1-bath unit, so a little bit bigger one in here. This one's going to be a little bit more rental income just because it's a little bit more of a single family type property. Super nice there. Spacious rooms in this one as well. Over here is the second bedroom. This one's got the new vinyl flooring in it and everything. But come take a look at these views, guys, over here in the window. You guys come in here and look. Brand new washer and dryer wall, and just kind of a bit of a middle room for everything. Alrighty, guys, now coming into Unit 1 here. So this one's going to be a little bit off the side. As I said before, Unit 4 is a little bit kind of on its own from these two. This one a little bit smaller, but as well also completely finished and updated for you guys. Walk straight here into the kitchen and the living room space over here. And this one's gonna be a 1-bed, 1-bath. So like I said, a little bit smaller on this one. Single bachelor or something. Alrighty, guys, and like I said, so Unit 4 and Unit 3 have their own little electric stoves inside of them to heat. As far as these ones go, Unit 1 and 2 have gas furnaces, as you guys can see here, direct access to the utilities in there. And here, it's got a standing shower as well in the back there, but fully finished and updated as well. Alrighty, guys, we're in Unit 2 now, so this one's right above Unit 1, as I said before. This one's definitely the most stacked unit as far as everything goes. The landlords were originally going to live in here for vacation purposes, but ended up moving to Florida and whatnot. So if you guys look out here, this one has the best views and the only one with a front deck like this, a little bit raised up. This is actually the only one with a dishwasher in it as well, and its own washer and dryer. I'll show you guys that in a second. This one as well is a 2-bed, 1-bath. So we have one bedroom over here and then another one right next to it. So a little bit bigger of a bathroom in this one as well. Bigger standing shower as far as that goes. Alrighty, and last but not least, we are here at Unit 3. So the bonus of this one is it's got a little bit of yard space, as you guys can tell back here. Nice old big tree right here. And every unit does have access to this shed as well, just to kind of keep some of their belongings. This is the only unit with off-street parking here too, so if you do stay in Unit 3, you get this little driveway. As far as that goes, you also get some grilling space or something, a little bit more entertainment space outside on this one. Alrighty, as I said, here's the last unit, so this is Unit 3. It's also a little bit on its own, similar to Unit 4 over there. So you walk straight into here to the laundry or living room space, and this one's a little bit more it's a little bit simpler of a floor plan as well. It kind of circles around and it's got a bit of a more open floor plan. Super massive bedroom with a little bit higher ceilings in this one too. You guys can probably tell if you guys head here into the kitchen. Super nice finishes in this one as well. Still plenty of room to cook and everything. And this one, like I said before, shares access to the laundry room right out here with Unit 4. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this property tour. If you guys like content like this and like seeing market updates here in the beautiful Black Hills, make sure you guys drop a subscribe and like and comment below with any other questions so you guys don't miss any other content we release like this. You guys can give me a call or text at 605-920-1369. I'd be more than happy to assist you guys through the process in getting your guys' dream home started up here in the Black Hills.